friends, how are y'all doing today? I'm doing well. So in today's video, Valentine's Day is over, or at least it will be at the time this is posted, and that pink hair, I didn't even take it out. It just came out. I've washed my hair like three times. Washed it the first 2 times in Olaplex shampoo, and then I washed it, it was gone, so I just washed it in purple shampoo to try to get some of the yellow out, and then my roots are yellow. But it's fine. Anyway, in today's video, we are coloring my hair Smokey Lavender. I have used this color before, but it's been a couple of years now. This is Nevermore by Pulp Riot. Kind of obsessed with the box. I've already got the tube out, and I took the thing off to save some time, so here's the color. For some reason, I remember this turning blue in my hair. Really hope that doesn't happen, but I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze an entire tube into the bowl here. That is pretty. Cannot wait. Here's the tube. I'm gonna go ahead and just put both of my tubes in here. Boom. And I'm gonna add some Olaplex. While I'm stirring this, let me tell you guys what palette I'm wearing. It is by Juvia's Place. It's called The Violets. It is extremely gorgeous. 10 out of 10. I love the pigment with these freaking palettes. If there's a purple palette out there, I'm gonna find it. It's actually Super Bowl Sunday, so we're going to a Super Bowl party later, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep this makeup on. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But anyway, got the Olaplex in it. Let's go. I really, really hope this turns out pretty. And then it doesn't turn blue, because I have a very specific memory of this turning blue, and I don't know why. It's been, I've used it, but it's been several years ago now, like to the point where I don't remember what it, how it turned. And that's one really good thing about having a YouTube channel, is because my memory is terrible. It's so bad. And if I'm like, man, I know I've used this color, but I don't remember how it turned out, then I've got a whole YouTube channel I can go to, and I can look up the video, and then I'm like, okay, here's how it turned out. Or if someone else is asking me how a certain color looks, then I've got videos that I can show them. This color is nice and cold on my scalp. It feels good. So I've got a couple videos that are gonna go up before this one. Well, one of them is. The other one I'm still working on, and it's going to take me a couple more weeks to work on. So the first one is going to be the parademonias that I got. Oh lord, what did you guys think of those? That's my very first pair of them ever, and I didn't get to talk about it a lot in the video. I still have to do the voiceover for it, and I might just bring it up like that, but I always have trouble like putting shoes on my right leg, and I don't know, I think it's the angle that I get on, because I put them on my left leg and they went on just fine, and I feel so confident and stuff in them. I've never had a pair of shoes like that, and I don't know, they just make me feel really good. I live in the Virginian wilderness though, in the mountains, so I don't know where I'm gonna wear them exactly. Probably when I go out shopping, or like when me and my husband go out on dates, because like the freaking once or twice a year we do that. But it's also almost Valentine's Day at the time of me doing this. So what did you guys get for Valentine's Day, or did you celebrate Valentine's Day? I personally, Valentine's Day used to be my favorite holiday, because I went through a pink phase a couple years ago, and I was obsessed with pink. And all the pink, the hearts, it was all right up my alley. That's not me now. So I felt like weird in the Demonias video because like of my hair being pink and stuff. I felt like I looked like a little pastel goth or something, but that's not the vibes anymore. It's just, it used to be, but it's just not the vibes anymore. This color, there's a new hair option in World of Warcraft. It's not like new, it's been out for a while, and it's pretty much this color. Sorry, I was looking in the viewfinder. Oh, okay. There was a bunch of little arrows on the screen, and I was like, why are those there? For Dragonflight, I used my character boost on a mage. Regretting it a little bit. It's fine. My two main characters I switch between are a Beast Mastery Hunter and a Balanced Druid. Undercut's been growing out too, so it's pretty long. I can almost, like if I do a low ponytail, I can almost put it in a ponytail. I'm pretty excited about that. Because I didn't necessarily want an undercut, but I got it because my, like right after I had the baby, my hair was staying so knotted up all the time. Like I'd get to work and I'd be all day trying to get the tangles off out of the underneath. And it was just getting to be too much. So I just had one of my coworkers like just shave it off. And I touched it up a couple of times, but growing an undercut out's no joke. I've thought about doing like a side shave, but again, growing it out's no joke. And that I think would be a little worse if I decided I didn't want it, because it's like right there in the front. Like there's just not a whole lot you can do about that. The new season of You just came out and I need to watch that, but I don't know. I need to switch to watching that because some of my coworkers like it and I want to be able to talk to them about the show because I don't want to feel or be left out. That and like, I don't like spoilers for stuff. Like I hate being spoiled with like TV shows and stuff. I don't know why. Like I guess because I want to experience it for myself and then like make my own guesses and stuff. I don't know necessarily what undertone this is. If I remember it turning blue, it's probably got a good blue base under it, but I can't really tell so far. It literally looks like just a purple and a gray together. And I really hope I can get it saturated really well. So I have been wanting to do a hair care routine video, and I have sat down and I have filmed it 3 times now, and each time I have not been happy with it. I don't know why. Like I just haven't liked it. So if I ever get around to actually doing that and like it, hopefully I will. I'd like to talk hair products with you guys because it's one thing to color your hair and it's another thing to know how to maintain it and keep it up and everything. And also I've been also wanting to do like at work when I do fashion colors, I've been wanting to get a pamphlet like written up and printed out to send home with clients. Like when you go get a piercing or a tattoo, they usually send you at home with like an aftercare guide, and honestly hair needs the same thing, at least some of the colors, and I'd like to do that. And if I did, I'd do a video on it too, like how to maintain fashion colors, because sometimes it seems a lot easier than it is, or some people just genuinely don't know. There's plenty of people that haven't had like their hair colored and then they just get like a wild hair and they do it and then it's faded out after 1 or 2 washes, and that still might happen depending on like your hair and then the brand. Like that Arctic Fox I just did, it, I mean, yeah, it's a pastel shade and that's kind of like a different ball game in a way. Pastels don't last very long, but I don't know, I'm just going on mini tangents today. I hope I got this saturated at least kind of, because this color did not go a long way. And I'm glad I went ahead and decided to just put both of the tubes in my hair, because I know my hair pretty well by this point, if I do say so myself. So let's go ahead and take it and put it all up. Oh wow. I really have high expectations and hopes for this color that's gonna look good. When you go to take the thumbnail pic and it's still in video. Idiot. Oh my god. Hi. Alright, here is how my hair turned out. I've got the window open so that there's plenty of natural light coming through so you guys can see. What do we think? like it. I like it a lot, actually. It does look a little blue in like this direct lighting. I don't think on camera it is, but in person it does look a little blue. And from where my hair wasn't really very cleanly lifted, I do have a lot of banding. So I noticed that while I was curling it. I was like, ooh, no. It's fine. That was my own fault. I should have lightened it, but it's really dry, so I'm trying to take a break from lightening it. Oh, another thing I wanted to mention is my roots did not really take it. I guess I must have a band up there. I don't know what the situation is there, but like, if you can see that, yeah, it didn't really take right there. But let me close the curtain so you guys can see it in the lighting I had before. Oh god. So that takes out a lot of the natural lighting, so then you can like see it in here. Yeah. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention, on the box, I was looking at it, and on like the small bit right here, it is described as Misty Iris. So I was like, huh, sounds like Ash's two companions. Yeah, I quite like it. I don't know what looks better, and I'm sorry, I keep looking in the viewfinder because in person and on camera it looks a little different, but not in a bad way. Just, it does look more purple in like the viewfinder on the camera, and then I'm looking in the mirror behind the camera and it looks more blue. But either way, it does not look bad. I like the smokiness to it because like it's obviously a fashion color, but it's not so like bright like a fashion color, so it's like having purple hair without it being like bright and like blinding. I think it would look nice if I did this color and add like a drop of pink or something in it to keep it more on the purple side. I don't know. What do you guys think of it? I remember trying it years ago, and I remember it turning out blue and not liking it, and then now I'm like, my hair was pretty silver underneath, so I guess it all depends on what level you're going with. I know one thing I would recommend is making sure your hair is like a clean level all the way through so that you don't have like any banding throughout it, because there's like a spot right here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. It's like almost yellow through it, and like, I don't know, it does look a little spotty through there, but that's my own fault. I should have like lightened it first, or have done this color on fresh lightened hair since it is so light. But I don't know, even though it's light, it does look darker than I expected it to, and at the same time it looks lighter than I expected it to. Like, I don't know how to describe it really. I haven't washed it yet. I haven't shampooed. I literally just did it. I wanted to include this clip here. This is after just one wash. All the purple kind of left, and it left with this dusty blue kind of shade. So just wanted to keep that in mind, you know. So I haven't like shampooed it out yet. I rinsed it, and then I used the Olaplex 4-in-1 moisture mask, and I left that on for a couple of minutes and then rinsed it. So I haven't shampooed it. I might shampoo it probably tonight or tomorrow. Today's actually Valentine's Day as I'm filming this, and I posted a video trying on these demonias I got, which would be there. When I go to work, I don't wear like makeup like I do for YouTube. I go to work looking homeless. If you liked the video, leave a like on it and comment down below, what did you think of this color? I really do like it. I feel like when you turn your head, like, you see like different, like the sun, there's like not a cloud in the sky, so I don't know, you see like different reflects off of it. I don't even know how to describe this color. Like, yeah, it's I don't know. It's pretty though. Anyway, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I hope you all had a happy Valentine's Day. I can't wait to give my husband his stuff I got him. But yeah, that's about all for me. So have a good day. Bye. Oh dang, should I grow my bangs out? This is kind of a look. I might grow my bangs out.